Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the next week. Let's see. What do we have for you, Gemini? What message? Message for Gemini. We have trust. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. What do we have for you, Gemini? And healing chaos. It's like the Tower card. There is a transformation coming for you. Something is not working anymore. It's like a shock. Something unexpected is coming for you. You are going to build something more stable with better foundation. Okay? Let's see. What do you need to focus, Gemini? Trust the universe, everything will be okay, Gemini. Okay. It's the end of a situation. You can see the situation. It wasn't good for you. It was a lot of worries, stress, anxiety, a lack of communication with the Ten of Swords. With the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like you've been very patient with the situation. It's slow movements. Can be talking about your been dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini. Someone very slow here. Let's see. What you don't see coming, Gemini? Because the Three of Swords. It's a heartbreak, feeling pain in this deck. It's jealousy. Can be talking about a third party situation. Okay, let's see more. We have the Seven of Swords. The Seven of Swords is like you're feeling stuck about this situation or this relationship. It's important for you to free yourself. In this text, the Seven of Swords is insecurity. You are feeling insecure, but it's just an illusion, Gemini. With the Hermit cards, it's you spending a lot of time alone. It was a period of reflection, okay? Making plan for the future. Finding a solution. Let's see, I really feel like next week is time for you to hear about this situation. Let's see. A message for Gemini. You need to trust in your instinct. With the High Princess, can be talking about the secrets will be revealed. The High Princess, she knows everything. You're very intuitive at this time, Gemini. Let's see what's going on. Going to be a challenging week with the Towers, Ten of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Stay strong, Gemini. We have the Five of Swords. It's like the situation is not fair. Or someone betrayed you. It's a lot of worries and stress. The Four of Swords. Time for you to rest, to heal. There is a lot of thought in your reading. It's about communication. True. Honesty. With the King of Cups, can be talking about your friend dealing with the concept Pisces, Scorpio energy, but I really feel like it's you very sensitive at this time, Gemini. The King of Swords here. Okay, the King of Swords is Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energy. Definitely, I really feel like the truth will be revealed, or you are going to have an important conversation with someone. If you are single, it's about your job, okay? With the Page of Wands, it's you choosing a new direction because you want to feel exciting, okay? We have the devil here. Time for you to face in your fear, your shadow, your ego, Gemini. It's Capricorn energy. With the Ace of Swords, it's the truth will be revealed. A new idea. Clarity about the situation. Let's see more what's going on. With the Five of Swords for Gemini. What's going on with the Five of Swords? Queen of Pentacles. Like you are a single mother, you are taking care of your children, your family, you are very strong. You're working really hard, Gemini. You're also connected with nature. With the Four of Swords, we have the Eight of Cups. You are choosing yourself, leaving a situation behind because it's not working anymore. Let's see. With the King of Cups, the King of Cups can be talking about a friend of yours supporting you. We have the Seven of Pentacles. You need to be patient with yourself, Gemini. Like you've been working on a project, creating your own abundance. It's going to pay off, Gemini. Stay strong. Success is coming for you. With the King of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, you're going to receive some good news about the money, I feel like. Can be talking about a job offer. With the Page of Wands, we have the Empress. It's abundance coming for you. You're feeling very exciting. Because it's difficult ending in your life, you are on the right path, Gemini. With the Devil and the Four of Wands, it's about freedom. You're going to have stability for you and for your family. It's also a celebration, a marriage card. Can be talking about your dealing with a Capricorn. And with the Ace of Swords, the truth will be revealed. Clarity, communication. Here we have the Moon. With the Moon, it's your intuition. It's very important for you next week. It's also success in business. Just keep trying. Don't give up, Gemini. Because with the Moon, sometimes you are feeling confused. Let's see what's going on here. Message for Gemini. There is a lot of people around you talking about gossip. Just stay focused on your goal, your objective. I really feel like it was a very difficult ending here in your past with the Three of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Tower here. Healing coming for you, very important. You need to trust the universe, Gemini, because I see you very successful here. There is a lot of pentacles. Let's see what's going on. It's a snake, you can see. Someone betrayed you in your past, but you are transforming yourself. You are moving in a new direction, Gemini, leaving your past behind. It's a confirmation with this card, you can see. It's like you're not the same person. Let's see what's going on. There's a long period of stagnation in your life, Gemini. Stay patient with yourself. It's also important for you to rest, Gemini. You can see there is a job interview coming for you. This card is also communication, but it's communication about truth, honesty. Stay confident. I really feel like it's about a job offer, where the King of Swords can represent a boss. someone very intelligent and successful here. And with the Page of Pentacles, it's some good news coming for you. See? I'm feeling very exciting here with the Page of Wands. It's like something new. With the Moon card, trust in your intuition. It's about your reputation. It's also, just for some of you, there is an opportunity to get pregnant in the near future, Gemini, because we got this combination, the Empress with the Moon card. It's about fertility. And with the Page of Wands, it's like a child. What's going on here? You can see the child here. The child represents a new beginning in your life. There is a crossroad here. You're going to choose a new direction, Gemini. Let's see. Message for Gemini. We have bad health, a mature man, and a privileged lady. This card is about healing. It's like the Four of Swords here. Same for you, for a depressed Gemini. With mature men, it's like a father figure, someone who can trust. This person is going to help you, okay? And privileged lady, you are creating your own abundance, Gemini. You have everything you want. You're someone very independent. Let's see. An advice for you, Gemini. Message for Gemini. We have Aquarius energy, a new cycle coming for you, Gemini. It's time for you to open up to change, okay? With the Aquarius energy, it's the Star cards. The Star cards, it's like a wish come true. You need to have faith on your dreams, okay? Gemini, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching, being here. Take care. Bye.